Have you ever wondered why dolphins are often seen as some of the friendliest creatures in the ocean? Dolphins are fascinating animals, not just because of their playful nature, but also because of their incredible intelligence and social behavior. For thousands of years, humans have admired dolphins. Ancient cultures painted them on walls, told stories about them, and even considered them symbols of protection and luck. But what makes dolphins so different from other marine animals? Let's dive into their world. Dolphins are mammals, just like us. This means they breathe air, give birth to live young, and feed their babies with milk. Unlike fish, dolphins must come up to the surface to breathe through a blowhole on the top of their head. This small detail already makes dolphins feel more relatable to humans because they live in the sea but share some of our biological traits. One of the most amazing things about dolphins is their intelligence. Scientists have found that dolphins have large, complex brains. They are capable of problem-solving, learning new tricks, and even using tools. For example, some dolphins cover their noses with sponges to protect themselves while searching for food on the seafloor. They also recognize themselves in mirrors, which is a rare sign of self-awareness in the animal kingdom. But intelligence is not their only strength. Dolphins are extremely social creatures. They live in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to hundreds of dolphins swimming together. Inside these pods, dolphins form strong bonds. They work as a team to hunt fish, protect each other from predators, and even play together. Their ability to cooperate is one of the reasons humans often see them as friendly and approachable. Dolphins also communicate in fascinating ways. They use a wide range of sounds, from clicks to whistles, to share information. Each dolphin even has its own signature whistle, almost like a name, that helps identify it within the group. Imagine being able to call out your friend's name underwater without speaking words. That's exactly what dolphins can do. Scientists are still studying dolphin communication, and some believe it could be one of the most advanced systems in the animal world. Another reason dolphins are considered friendly is their behavior towards humans. There are countless stories of dolphins saving people from danger, guiding lost swimmers to safety, or even protecting humans from sharks. While not every dolphin behaves this way, these stories have built the dolphin's reputation as a helpful and caring animal. Whether it's curiosity, intelligence, or genuine empathy, dolphins have a special connection with us. Their playful behavior also makes them lovable. Dolphins often jump out of the water, surf waves, and play games with each other. This playful nature gives the impression of joy and friendliness, something that captures the imagination of anyone who sees them. Unlike many predators of the sea, dolphins rarely inspire fear. Instead, they inspire wonder. Of course, dolphins are still wild animals. They hunt fish and squid, and they can be aggressive if threatened. But compared to sharks or other predators, their social intelligence and cooperative lifestyle have shaped a very different image. Instead of being feared, dolphins are admired. In the end, dolphins are not friendly in the human sense of the word, but their intelligence, playfulness, and social behavior create the perfect mix that makes us feel connected to them. They remind us that not all creatures in the ocean are scary. Some are companions in the vast blue world. When most people hear the word shark, they immediately think of danger, sharp teeth, and fear. Sharks have one of the most intimidating reputations in the entire animal kingdom. But why is that? What makes sharks such powerful predators, and why have they been feared for millions of years? Let's explore the world of sharks and discover the reasons behind their terrifying image. Sharks are among the oldest creatures on Earth. They've existed for more than 400 million years, even before trees. Their long history has allowed them to evolve into some of the most efficient hunters the ocean has ever seen. Unlike dolphins, which rely on teamwork and social bonds, sharks survive through strength, speed, and instinct. Every part of their body is built for hunting. One of the most famous features of a shark is its teeth. Sharks have rows and rows of razor-sharp teeth that are constantly replaced throughout their lives. A shark can lose thousands of teeth in its lifetime, but new ones grow back quickly. This endless supply of teeth means a shark is always ready to bite, which is one reason they are seen as such deadly predators. Their senses are also extraordinary. Sharks can detect a single drop of blood in the water from miles away. They have an incredible sense of smell, powerful eyesight, and even the ability to detect tiny electrical signals from the muscles of their prey. This combination makes them nearly impossible to escape once they've chosen a target. Speed and power are also on their side. Species like the great white shark can swim at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, using explosive bursts to catch seals, fish, and other prey. Their muscular bodies and streamlined shape allow them to move silently through the water until it's too late for their victims to react. But perhaps what makes sharks so feared is their role as apex predators. They are at the top of the food chain, meaning very few animals hunt them. This dominance, combined with their hunting skills, has given sharks a fearsome reputation in human culture. Movies like Jaws only added to this image, turning sharks into symbols of terror in the ocean. Unlike dolphins, sharks are solitary creatures. They don't rely on groups or social bonds to survive. Each shark is an individual hunter, focused purely on survival. This difference makes them seem less relatable and more frightening to humans. While dolphins play and communicate, sharks stalk and attack, and that contrast is part of why one is admired and the other is feared. Of course, not all sharks are dangerous to humans. Out of more than 500 species of sharks, only a handful pose any real threat. Most sharks eat fish, plankton, or small animals, and many avoid humans altogether. However, because of rare but dramatic shark attacks, people tend to see all sharks as dangerous monsters. In reality, sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine life. By hunting sick, weak, or overpopulated species, they keep the ocean ecosystem healthy. Without sharks, the entire balance of marine life would collapse. So, while they may appear frightening, they are essential to the survival of the oceans. At the end of the day, sharks are not evil creatures. They are simply animals built perfectly for survival. Their sharp teeth, powerful senses, and hunting skills make them appear terrifying. But in truth, they are just following their natural instincts. The fear we feel comes from their appearance and their abilities, but also from the unknown. So while dolphins are celebrated as friendly companions of the sea, sharks are respected, and sometimes feared, as the ultimate predators. Both animals are extraordinary, but they remind us of two very different sides of nature. The side that connects with us, and the side that challenges our fear.